Ka Northeastern Regional Domestic Workers Movement, haka jing Rakhe ya ka International Domestic Workers Day, haka khanriu trik jeliu, kala pha jing tho shaka menteri badai pet ya katnat labor ka kong amperin lingdo ban bu renti eki bainong, bat kumju ban penmi ya ka Domestic Workers Welfare Board haka jela. Kum ka jing Rakhe ya ka nigasngi jang kinong bala treyeng la pelong ya ka jing lang patba Hasri Aurobindo Institute of Indian Culture. Haka dorkhas bala ai shaka menteri ka Nerdwm kala penpau ya ka jingduna kilat ai jingada haka lang salang nak benta ki hajar ngut ki kenthai kiba da ka bala treyeng brio ne trey belasngi ka Nerdwm kala penpau ru ba ka sarkar Assam bat ki wei ki sarkar jilla joka than chatai lamingi kila bo ya ka dor ka barenti kum ka bainong bat kumta ka sarkar jilla ru ka dei ban pentri kamno ya ka ni ka benta Kapang pedeng jong ni gasngi kalong ban penkalai ki hok syaki jing shisha bat ban sna yaki an ki kendon ban yada yaki nong tri ying brio ni ki babelasngi ka sister Teresa Salem Thangi Regional Coordinator jong ka Nerdwm kala ong ba ki don rio jarngut ki nong tri bela ying brio ni ki basyu tri belasngi ki bela penrung kerteng ha ka nong ba shlong
to promote and ensure participation of domestic workers in their struggles for rights and justice. We empower domestic workers to fight against all forms of injustice and discrimination. As we journey along, we experience that every day is a new beginning.